Lotus has brought history back to life with the world premiere of the Type 66, and confirmed the stunning track-only car will go into production. This unique project was unveiled at The Quail, a motorsport gathering as part of 2023 Monterey Car Week in California, USA. Truly exotic in its design execution, the Type 66 is a new, ultra-exclusive low-volume car from Lotus. It brings to life a lost Lotus drawing board program from the brand's world-renowned motorsport heritage, combining it with today's state-of-the-art racing technology and components. The Type 66 has been launched in Lotus' 75th anniversary year and is testament to the brand's desire to reimagine the best elements of its heritage, updating them in the most exhilarating way possible. With his eyes on the high-profile and commercially lucrative Can-Am series, Lotus founder Colin Chapman tasked Team Lotus draftsman Jeff Ferris to launch the Type 66 project to evaluate how Lotus design principles could be applied to this exciting category. Chapman's primary focus on Formula One meant the innovative project never went beyond technical drawings and scale models. In a fitting tribute to the brand's illustrious racing pedigree and heritage, Lotus has proudly fulfilled the original vision 53 years after the designer first put pen to paper. Only 10 examples of this rediscovered and reimagined Lotus V8 will be built. It's a total selected to commemorate the number of races the Type 66 would have competed in during the 1970 season. The car made its public debut in a heritage-inspired livery, reflecting the red, white and gold colors Lotus raced in during the early 70s, and which could have adorned the Type 66, alongside the all-conquering Lotus Type 72 F1 car. The Type 66 is one of the most exclusive projects Lotus has ever undertaken, and each example will cost in excess of £1 million. At the heart of the Type 66 is a period-representative V8 pushrod engine. It's mid-mounted for optimized handling, tuned by Lotus to produce more than 830 brake horsepower at 800 RPM. Bespoke modern-day components include an aluminium-forged crank, rod and pistons, which generate torque of more than 746 Nm at 400 RPM. The iconic Can-Am-inspired air intake trumpets take center stage at the top of the engine. These not only smooth out the air intake to create laminar flow, but also greatly improve the volumetric efficiency, allowing for greater combustion and more power. That's all for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.